Hello, my beautiful people. This is Auntie May, and welcome to Empathy is Magic Motivation. Come in for a moment. Take a breath with me. Now loosen your shoulders a little, because today, I want us to talk about something many people struggle with quietly. Feeling like they are not enough. And if I'm being honest with you, there were seasons in my own life where I questioned myself too. Times when I worked hard, gave everything I had, showed up for everybody else, and still somehow felt like I was falling short. Life has a way of teaching people to measure themselves by productivity, by titles, by money, by relationships, by what they have not accomplished yet. And before you realize it, you start speaking to yourself in ways you would never speak to someone you love. One thing I've learned over the years is this: the world will always try to convince you that your worth must be earned. But spiritually, I do not believe that. I believe worth was placed inside you long before success, long before mistakes, long before pain. Scripture reminds us that we are fearfully and wonderfully made. And whether you believe spiritually, emotionally, or simply through lived experience, you survive things that should have broken you. That matters. You are here. That matters. So today, we are rebuilding the way you speak to yourself. Slowly, gently, I am enough. Close your eyes if you need to. Place your hand on your heart and breathe slowly. You do not have to prove your worth today. You are already worthy. Repeat after me. I am enough. Exactly as I am. I do not have to earn my value. I deserve kindness. I deserve rest. I deserve peace. I release the pressure to be perfect. I release unrealistic expectations. I release comparison. My journey is my own. I honor how far I have come. I am allowed to grow slowly. I am allowed to learn. I am allowed to make mistakes. Mistakes do not define me. Pain does not define me. Fear does not define me. My past does not define me. I'm stronger than my difficult moments. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of respect. I am worthy of care. I choose to speak gently to myself. I choose compassion over criticism. I choose healing over shame. My voice matters, my needs matter, my life matters. I belong here, I am growing, I am healing, I am becoming. And even on the hard days, I am still enough. Say it 3 more times. I am enough. 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 Hello again, my beautiful people. Before you go, I just want you to sit with this feeling for a moment. Because I know something happens after moments like this sometimes. You listen. You feel stronger for a little while. And then life starts talking again. Stress starts talking again. Fear starts talking again. That inner critic comes back. And when it does, I want you to remember this moment. Remember your breathing. Remember your heart slowing down. Remember the version of you that showed up today. Because showing up for yourself matters. I want you to know something personal too. Healing is rarely loud. Most healing happens quietly in moments exactly like this. One breath, one choice, one kind thought toward yourself at a time. So if nobody told you today, I'm proud of you for continuing. I'm proud of you for trying. I'm proud of you for staying. Because life has not always been easy on you. And yet, here you are. So before we leave this moment together, put your hand on your heart one more time. Take a breath. And say it with me. I am enough. Not someday. Not when I accomplish more. Now, I am enough. Thank you for spending this time with me. Leave an AG below if you stayed until the end. And until next time, please be gentle with yourself. You deserve that too.